welcome back to the N4 Learning channel. So I'm going to show you how we do we work with the 4-channel digital to analog module. Now if you're using a trend system, they have a block that you just drop straight in there as such, and it does all the work for you. We're a little bit different with the Tridium Niagara. We don't have a block that we can just drop straight in there. So this is a Sontay one. That's what it looks like. So zoom in so you can see the input modules there. 1 set, 2, 3, 4 sets of input modules, and you've got your supply up at the top, your 24 volts AC or DC, your 0 volts, and that goes to your universal input. So what we're doing here, we've got 4 digital inputs, and depending on what's open or closed, on or off, true or false, will give a output to a universal input, a voltage basically. And if we go down to here you can see your inputs: input 1, input 2, input 3, and input 4. And then you've got your 0 to 24 volts, you've got your 0 volts, and you've got your output going to the MAC 36 or an ISMA module. It's going to be a universal input because it's voltage 0 to 10 if we're using the 0 to 10 there, which we are doing in this case. And it's just giving you an example there of switching one switch there into there, and these are your different voltages that you get out depending on the switches. So 9.7 volts will put all of them inputs on, yet 0.9 volts will put just input 1 on. And what we're going to do now is show you how to do it easier, how to make the module. So first of all, we need one of these across, and we don't need all these bits in there, so let's take out that. I think I want 3, no, I don't want 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't want 8, and I don't need anything else in here. So let's just take all these pins out. So that's going to be input 1. Let's just do a Boolean writable. Input 1. Pin slots, take out the N16 because we can. Set that to false and put that into there. Duplicate 2. Duplicate 3, 4. And then we need a reset block. Reset block. Expose the points. New numeric writable. I'm just going to this test point. I don't know, we'll put something like 5 volts on that at the moment. 5 volts. 5 volts coming in. So we want for that 0.30 for that one. 970 for that one. That one is 244, and that one is 12. Save. And then we want to take that and put that into there. So we've got 5 volts and input 4 is on. Let's go back to our sheet. 5 volts, 5.3, input 4, minimize that a little bit so we can just see them both on the same sheet. So let's do 3.4 volts. Set 3.4. 3.4 volts. I should have 1 and 3 on. 1's on and 3 is on. Let's pick another one. 7.8 volts. 7.8. 7.8. I should have 3 and 4 on, and I have 3 and 4 on. Easy, isn't it? Let's just set another one. 2.8 volts. Don't want all them 2's. 2.8. So 2.8 gives me 3 on, 3 on, the rest off. As simple as that. So all you need is these 2 blocks to then get the outputs, or the inputs of what that's giving you of the module. So go back to this, expand it, it's telling you AC or DC, 0 to 10. Made in China. I think everything's made in China. Should only be inserted by a competent, suitable trained technician. Okay. Experience in installation with hazardous voltages. Right. Ensure that all power is disconnected before carrying out. Okay, just normal one of the mill. It's only 24 volts. So that's a volt free switching. Excuse me. The 24 volt switching. That's about it. I don't think there's anything else to oh, okay, that's on the data sheet. I didn't know that. Output 1, 12, output 2, 2, 4, 4. Interesting. And then you've got your that for your, so you could actually do 4 to 20, but changing the 0.3 to 4.5 and 9.7 to 19.5, we're still leaving the 12 and the 244. Let's go back to our, yeah, so easy. Now it's better than what I used to do before. It was a rather complicated, the one that I had before, but that's an easy way of doing it. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, can you subscribe for me please? Thank you. Bye.